Wow, look at that. Sorry, but I'm in people front yard. The name of it is MSC Virtuosa. Right. Beautiful. This is the people coming on. I can see right there. I don't know if it's so close enough, but you see some people coming on and going off. Beautiful ship, beautiful day. Y'all saw it from Greens area. So like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, guys. I'm gonna show y'all a different angle. Alright, there you got it, chat. There you had it. Let's go. And again, if you're wondering where this video has been, where you're watching this video from, this video has been shot live in Grenada. You know, recently we just celebrated 51 years of independence. And it's that 51 years of independence. So you see here, happy independence. That is it. Happy independence, Grenada. That is it. See how we going down? I'm not sure the name of the street, but going on by PVC, the PVC area here. So this is what PVC looks like. Have a look at the bus pass. So this is PVC right here. Only 20% battery remaining. So that's PVC. Shout out to all the PVC boys. So yeah, guys. We coming on to the guys are for sale sign here. I think, well, obviously it's a popular girls only school. Normally it's called Mother Rose. I'm seeing a sign here that says in memory of F.R. William Sheehan, Apostle of the Children. Alright, so let's see the name of the school. We call it Mother Rose, but we won't say Mother Rose today. We say St. Louis Junior RC. Alright? St. Louis Junior RC, that is it. Going on again, this is Convent here. I see Convent. I think this bus coming down the street here. This street here. Them boys coming down, you know what I'm saying? Hill up, yes sir. So we have another view of Convent or St. Joseph's. Convent, right? St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's. Celebrating 15 years. Wow. No, 150 years, man.
And then MSC.
Hello. Yeah, man. So that is it. And then we have the church here. Jubilee? Interesting. Jubilee 2025, Pilgrims of Hope. Hope does not disappoint. Jubilee 2025, may the grace of the Jubilee reawaken in us. Pope Francis. And it's that. Interesting that they're using the anchor. Interesting, I wonder why they're using the anchor. Let's go. Going on to the back. Church Street, I think they call it.